Hey, I'm Professor Cade. Thanks for joining me today for one of Cade's writing shorts. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that makes the online grammar patrol grumpier than any other. Your and your. Now just hang on a second. Before you say, oh, I know that one, and move on back to your PewDiePie videos, let me just say this. At least 70% of the time, when I correct this issue on my students' papers, they say, oh yeah, oops. Oh yeah, oops is not the language of the uninformed, it's the language of the rushed. And let me just pause here and say, if you've forgotten how to use them or you just don't know how, that's okay. You should never let anybody make you feel ashamed for what you don't know. You should only feel ashamed for what you won't know, okay? And that's why I'm also gonna explain why it's crucial to take the time and make sure you're doing it right. Oh, shoot. That would have been embarrassing. Okay, so here's the deal. Y-O-U-R, no apostrophe, is a possessive adjective. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E is a contraction for you-are, okay? So, mumbo jumbo definitions out of the way, let's take a minute and look at what that actually means, starting with your. Okay, so possessive adjective. An adjective is simply a word that describes a noun, and possessive just means it shows ownership or that it belongs to somebody, okay? So here's a list of all of your possessive adjectives. Don't worry about trying to memorize it, but just see them together to form a category in your mind. So let's just take a simple noun, pen. Okay, so we can add adjectives to this noun to give more details about it. We can say red pen, we can say small pen. So just like those other adjectives, your just gives more information about this noun. So we can say your pen. Oh shoot, did I use the contraction? Alright, so what happens is when you use the contraction, you're basically saying you are, and well, now I'm a pen. Okay, let me just fix this right here. Oh, that feels better. All right, let's try that again. Your pen. My pen. That's what I said, your pen. My pen. Fine. Our pen. Their pen. Okay, I think we get the point. That's how your and all of these possessive adjectives function. So now Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. This is simply a contraction for the words you and are. And just like all other contractions, we form the word by jamming these two together, taking this vowel out, and throwing an apostrophe in it. So the word your with the apostrophe literally just means you are. So let's take a look at a sample sentence. You're the professor who makes those goofy videos. Here's my professor who makes those goofy videos. Oh, you're so cute, tiny Cade. Oh, shoot, I did it again. I used the possessive adjective. Okay, let's get that contraction back in there. You're the professor who makes those goofy videos. Oh, yeah, that's me. So we got the basics out of the way. Now to make sure we never get one wrong again. All you have to do is ask yourself one simple question when you're writing the word your. Can I replace it with you are? If the answer is yes, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. If the answer is no, Y-O-U-R. And that's it, you're and your. You are now an expert. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, do me a favor and hit the like button for me. And if you like the way that I teach and think you might be able to learn more from me, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss my weekly uploads. And feel free to leave me a comment down below and let me know what sort of grammar and writing issues you struggle with, and I'll make sure to prioritize those for some upcoming videos. This feels weird. Oh man, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I need to get back into my body. I need...
Hey, will you come take a look at the washer? It's acting up again.
I can't. I'm kind of a pen right now.